Minariebo Nanyuki dhi nyime kod yudo thieth tok chielgi kod magina kod achich achiel mawacho ni en mhindi e kinde mane gichopo e tuke mag cricket achiel kuom bunge mag le kaunti ma Laikipia. Koluwo okil margi Lucy Karia, minegi Daphne Karitha kod Penina Kinoti okwach kich kuom rem timo nonro moromo e gino manotimore malo dwe achiel mokalo. Ka achich to pod owe thuolo kendo pod ntiere kod ligangla mare. Gilero ni gima nochako kaka budho maber kod mor noduogo lokore lweny tok mwindino chielgi kod magina e achiel kuomgi ka machielo nochiele toke. Obila ma Nanyuki olero ni pod gidhi nyime gi nonro.
And then I see blood, and then nikiangalia opposite na nikaona kama moto ingine kulikuwa na kama moto hivi.
Alipiga hiyo risasi na driver immediately, because I was seated next to the driver, nikaona ameanza like he accelerated. So ya pili sasa ndio alipiga ya pili, and akipiga tu ya pili nilisikia marafiki zangu ambao walikuwa wameketi nyuma yangu, they was screaming like ameshoot, and then vile niliangalia nyuma ndio nikaona huyu rafiki yangu, she was bleeding.
We've been trying to follow it up from the hospital to the police station. However, we've had great challenges in terms of the way the case has been handled by the police. They've not been able to complete investigation a month later. The victims are now suffering. They have pending bills. They cannot, as you can see, my client is unable to move on her own. She is incapacitated as a result of that injury. Yet the suspect, who is Yagnik, has not been apprehended by the police officers.
And today we are demanding that justice to be accorded to this client of the victims, because they are really suffering.